it's dirty, it's really dirty, right? But a lot of it's actually dust. There's some built up stuff around here. We're going to attack some of that, but some of these stains in here, they're not going to come out. I'll show you what I mean there. Any built up food, that will come out. Always take the knobs off. It won't always be easy. If you do struggle with it, don't take them off. You don't want to break them. And we have to attack in here as well. So first thing I want to do is actually wet it. And I'm just going to scrape these areas here with a glass scraper just to get rid of some of the excess, and we'll show you how that works. So when you're using a blade, you've got to be very careful. First of all, don't push too hard. You don't want the blade to break. But secondly, just look at the area and you've got to make sure it's wet. And then you just be careful with it and run it around, okay? You can get kits in the supermarket that provide blades. All that is just coming off. I'm not pressing hard, I'm not going crazy. And I'm making sure that it's still wet. So that's the first area done. Now don't worry about this white, that's actually inside the glass. You are not going to cut that glass out, that white out in any way. All right, so you can feel any extras. I missed a little bit just there. That should be all right. So that bit's done. Now I've just got to do the rest. So I've now scraped away all the burnt on food, the rings that were around it, right? So if you just give it a wipe, you'll be able to see that most of those are gone. Sometimes there's remnants left, right? And that's where Jif and Ascara or the Serapol stuff you get in the supermarket really work well. We're just gonna hit these with a toothbrush, right? This needs to dry in order for me to see if there's anything left. I don't think there is. We'll double check it. We'll get to this, clean it up, dry it. The other thing you wanna do is we wanna get in under there. To do that, a brush is the best way. And that's just another way to finish it. So we'll do all that. Okay, so we got a bit lucky with this one. I usually do have to actually rub some off the sides, but in this case I didn't have to, which is nice. I can see a little bit there. I'm gonna fix that little bit because I'm a picky bugger. Right, so the other thing we'll do is we'll clean up the dials before we put them back on. It's all finished.
There you have it. Well, it's almost brand new. You can see the worn areas on there, but it looks great. Now this one, however, here's an example of some really tough stuff. The agent wanted to replace this one, told him I'll give it a shot, and check it out. Using the same process. Awesome. If you know someone that you think might benefit from this, please share this video with them. And if you've got a question, just whack it in the comments below. I'll get to it ASAP. And by all means, hit that like button as well, that helps. If you'd like to join me on this journey, just tap that face with the green circle around it there to subscribe. And if you just want a couple more videos, feel free, they're right here for you. Otherwise, have a great day, and thanks very much for watching.